At isolated spots like Guadalupe, far from the Coast Guard and Navy, dive boats keep a watchful eye out for illegal fishing. So shark tourism has added benefits. It was a good day for white shark sightings, but high winds and rough currents make filming difficult.
It was extremely rough today. We were bouncing around, being knocked around in the cage. So we have to grab, parts of the cage and hang on tight while filming. So it's pretty tough.
The gusting winds prevent them from deploying the Pelagic Explorer, a revolutionary motorized cage designed for filming sharks in their own element, far from boats and bait. Wind, waves, and a broken boat are all working against them. The research team needs its luck to change if they're to have any hope of attaching shark cam to the fin of a great white sometime in the next 24 hours.
So it was actually really bumpy in the cage there, and that's due to all this wind. So